Snazzy blue way in the sky brings love to you and I. Animals gather all around, hearts beat with every sound. How they prance in the field, joy and love they reveal. Paws and wings in delight, shining bright day and night.
What's something you didn't know about your pet? Pets are full of surprises and unique traits that make them special. They bring joy, companionship, and sometimes a bit of mystery into our lives. Let's dive into the fun showdown: dogs versus cats versus hamsters. Each of these pets has its own charm and quirks. Whether you're a dog lover, a cat enthusiast, or a hamster fan, there's something for everyone. First up, let's talk about the loyal dog. Dogs are known for their unwavering loyalty and playful nature. They are often called man's best friend for a reason. Did you know dogs can understand up to 250 words and gestures? This makes them incredibly trainable and great companions. They can learn tricks, follow commands, and even understand your emotions. True or false? Dogs can see in color. Many people think dogs see in black and white. Answer: true. They see in shades of blue and yellow. Isn't that fascinating? Dogs have a unique way of perceiving the world around them. Next, the mysterious cat. Fun fact: cats sleep for about 16 hours a day. They are the ultimate nappers. Their sleep patterns are quite different from ours, and they often have bursts of energy in between long naps. Quiz time. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees. True or false? Answer: true. This helps them detect sounds from all directions. Their hearing is incredibly sharp, allowing them to pick up even the faintest noises. And now, the adorable hamster. These tiny creatures are full of energy and curiosity. They may be small, but they have big personalities and are always up to something interesting. Did you know hamsters have cheek pouches that can extend to their shoulders? This allows them to carry food and store it for later. It's like having built-in grocery bags. Here's a quiz. Hamsters are nocturnal. True or false? Answer: true. They are most active during the night. This means they'll be running on their wheels and exploring their cages while you sleep. So, who wins the pet showdown? It's up to you. Each pet has its own unique qualities that make them special. Whether you prefer the loyalty of a dog, the independence of a cat, or the curiosity of a hamster, there's no wrong choice. Let us know in the comments below. Share your experiences and tell us which pet you think is the best. We love hearing your stories and seeing your photos. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and consider donating at buymecoffee.com/snazzyblue. Every bit helps us take care of our furry friends. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to us and our pets. Stay tuned for more fun and informative videos about your favorite animals. Donate to Buy Me a Coffee at buymecoffee.com/snazzyblue.
Hearts beat with every sound.